What's up, guys? Back over here on the garage, and this time we're gonna be talking about the Meroca M4 4-piston brakes that I got from AliExpress. However, I have affiliate links for them on the description below for Amazon, which is great because they will get to you much faster. Before I do that, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. Share this video with somebody who's looking to get a set of brakes, because this one did not disappoint. Let's get right into it. All right, so I was riding this on the trail. I have a few clips throughout the video about the brakes, and I'm actually impressed with these brakes. Again, I ended up paying about $64. But I bought this over a year ago, so that price is no longer the same. But for that price, you couldn't beat that. Now, right now, you can probably find them for around $90, $100. Again, check the affiliate links in the description below. But these are 4-piston brakes. And paired with that, I have 203 millimeter rotors. And them together, they perform great. Now, the feel of the lever feels great. This thing, it has some texture right here, and this just makes it feel really grippy. And the way they perform with the 203 rotors is magnificent. Now, like I said on a previous video and throughout this video, these brakes, look at this. This is the M4 caliper, and compare this with my Orion T4 brakes from my other bike, my T8 Polygon 6Q T8. The caliper itself is the same. It looks exactly the same. So with that and the handle and the container right here, this one looks just like the one from the Shimano's MT200 that I had before. So I guess these are just like I'm gonna say like a hybrid of both of them, and they're performing really, really great. Now, once you press the pedal, you can feel it increasing. As the harder you push, the more grip it's gonna get, and they do stop you. They stop you really, really good. Now, I don't do downhill, so I cannot say anything about downhill on these brakes, but for the type of riding that I do, for the type of experience that I have on riding, these are excellent brakes. And will I buy them again? Definitely. This brakes, they're super good. They feel amazing, and they will not disappoint. Again, I'm 230 pounds right now, so these things are stopping me like a champ. So good that you can see the rear wheel lock up on the wheel camera. That's badass. So I don't know if it's just the combination between the brakes themselves and also the rotors, and maybe the tires have some influence in that, but they are working good. So if you were looking into buying these brakes and you have no idea about the performance, you can take it from me. They will not disappoint. And I'm not sponsored by anybody, so everything that I'm saying is all on me, all my opinions. And you know me. If you're in the channel for a while, you know me, and I will not tell you otherwise. So if you're interested in this brake, check the affiliate links in the description below. Also, I have a ton of products on the descriptions below that if you go through them, it will help the channel out. But I hope that this video gives you a little bit of insight of whether or not to buy these brakes. Because like I said, will I recommend them? Yeah. Will I put them on my other bikes? Definitely. So really good product, quality products. They feel good, and yeah, I mean, I don't have any complaints at all about these brakes. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're back again, welcome back to the channel. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. Let's wrap it up, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye. So Meroca M4 4-piston brakes, hydraulic brakes. I'm about to brake, so let's see. Oh yeah, this thing are good. So good that you can see the rear wheel lock up on the wheel camera. That's badass. Now something that I don't remember if I mentioned about these Meroca brakes is that the caliper looks like an exact replica of the Tektro Orion that I have on my T8, and the shit and the brake lever right here looks just like the one from the Shimano's MT200s. So it's kind of like a hybrid, and this thing really can stop you very well. Highly recommended.